Kia ora. A big, warm greeting to you all from Skinny Fishbone. We spend a lot of time trying to fix things, fix pain, fix people, fix ourselves. Maybe because sitting with hurt feels uncomfortable. Maybe because we think healing should happen quickly. But not everything that struggles is broken. And not everything broken needs fixing. Sometimes people just need to be understood. Sometimes we think we need to fix things. Sometimes we think we need to fix things. But sometimes we just need to sit with people. But sometimes we just need to sit with people. No hotel. No hotel, no hotel. Yes, no hotel. We talk about fixing people, but who said they were broken? Maybe they are tired. Maybe they are grieving. Maybe they are surviving. Maybe they are learning to carry something heavy. Not everything that struggles needs to be corrected. Sometimes people are simply responding to life. We talk about fixing people, but who said they're broken? Sometimes they just haven't been met properly yet. Yeah, sometimes they just haven't been met properly yet. Mate hakarongo atina na awaidua kamarama. Soft listening, soft understanding. Soft listening, soft listening. Yes, and when you stop trying to change people, we begin to see them differently. Less as a problem and more as a person. They just need to be seen. Sometimes people don't need advice. They just need to be seen. Some people don't need advice. They just need to be seen. But what we're being taught to fix, to correct, to respond. Instead of just being there, sometimes the most powerful thing that you could give to someone is not your answer, not your answer. It's your presence. It's your presence. its presence, just being there. Nō reira e te iwi. Not everything broken needs fixing. Sometimes it only needs understanding. Sometimes it only needs space. And sometimes healing begins when we stop trying to change people and simply learn to sit beside them. With love, Skinny Fishbone.